Hi students, today I am going to discussing about the direction of the vector, that means direction cosines. So initially what is the direction of the vector means Nana? The angle made by the vector with the horizontal. That means you can take as with the x-axis. For example, a bar is equal to, I am giving here 5 I cap. What is the angle made by the vector? That means now you can simply say this vector is lies along the x-axis now. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Given vector is here a bar, that is 5 I cap. That means the vector has the magnitude 5 units and lies along the x-axis. For example, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here 5 units. That means vector is like this. Here that is lies along the x-axis. That means the angle made by the vector with the x-axis is 0. For example, say a bar is equal to 5 j cap. In this case, what is the direction of the vector? When you are saying the 5 j cap, that means here the vector a bar is lies along the y-axis. That means here with the x-axis it makes some angle, that is what is that? 90 degrees. Similarly, I am giving the vector a bar is equal to 5 k cap. In this situation, the vector is lies along the z-axis. This is the x-axis, y-axis, and we can take as here z-axis. Along the z-axis. Then you can say here with the x-axis it makes 90 degrees. For example, vector in 2 dimension, that means in xy plane or yz plane, like that. For example, you can take as here vector a bar is equal to, simply I am taking root 3 I cap plus j cap. In this case, what is the direction of the vector? Direction of the vector means angle made by the vector with the x-axis. For example, root 3 I plus j, that means here we can take as 1. Now vector is like this. Here I am taking the vector a bar. X component is root 3, y component is 1. These two are said to be the rectangular components. This is the along the x-axis and this component is lies along the y-axis. Rectangular components. For example, I am taking here the angle made by this vector with x-axis theta. That is the direction of the vector. So from this you can write as here x component and y component. This is the y component. What is that value? 1. X component, what is that value? Root 3. So from this triangle, tan theta is equal to, we can write as here opposite by adjacent. That means we can write here 1 by root 3. So from this we know in tan 1 by root 3 you got at a 30 degrees tan 30. So 1 by root 3 you can write as here tan 30 degrees. So from that we got theta is equal to 30 degrees. That means this vector makes an angle 30 degrees with the x-axis. What is the angle made by this vector with the y-axis? For example, with the x-axis is 30. Similarly, simply with the y-axis that becomes 60. Totally here 90. This is 30. Automatically it becomes 60 degrees. So you can calculate like that. The direction of the vector with the x-axis. That means angle made by the vector with the x-axis or horizontal. For example, I am giving here vector is I cap plus j cap. A vector is given as I cap plus j cap. That means here x component is 1, y component is also 1. So from that you can take as here this is the a bar now. So vector ax is equal to, I am taking as here 1, and at the same time ay is equal to 1. So when the vector you can write as here a bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. So in this case from here to here it becomes y component. From here to here vector is this one, rectangular component or like this rectangular component. So that is from here to here the value is ax. I am taking here angle theta. Tan theta is equal to, we can write as here opposite side by adjacent side from this triangle. So ay by x, better to take a mod. So you got here 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1. You got here 45. Theta equal to 45. For example, Nana, I am giving the vector in 3-dimensional motion. That means A bar is equal to I cap plus 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. In this case, what is the direction of the vector? That means, Nana, the vector makes some angle with x-axis and the vector makes some angle with y-axis and also vector makes some angle with the z-axis. 3 dimension is there, Nana. So in that situation, you can use the direction cosines. What is the direction cosines means, Nana? These are used to determine the angle made by the vector with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So here we can write the general form of the vector, Nana. A bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. So from this simply you got here ax is equal to 1 and ay is equal to 2 and az is equal to 3. For example, what is the magnitude of this vector? Modulus of a bar, Nana. You can write the formula root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. So from that what you get on here? Root of ax means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So you got here now 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 root 14. That is the magnitude of the vector. I am going to calculate the direction cosines, Nana. That means direction cosines means, Nana, the angle made by the vector with the x-axis and the y-axis and also you can take as here z-axis, Nana. So just I am taking this is the vector now like this. So with it makes some angle with the x-axis and also it makes some angle with the y-axis and also makes angle with the z-axis, Nana. So you can show like this. Here a bar is, it makes some angle alpha with x-axis. I am taking angle between the vector and the y bar. That means y-axis I am taking as here beta. With the z-axis we can take as here gamma. Alpha is the angle made by the vector with x-axis. Beta is the angle made by the vector with the y-axis. Gamma is the angle made by the vector with the z-axis. Now I am going to calculate the cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. So these are called as the direction cosines of the given vector. Cos alpha and cos beta and cos gamma. So from this triangle, so this is the A bar. That means from here to here, that gives the magnitude. Length of the arrow is the magnitude of the vector. That's why from here to here, that is modulus of A bar. Modulus of A bar simply you can write on here A. Okay, from here to here, that is magnitude of the vector. So from this triangle, cos alpha means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent means here component along the x-axis. That means we can take as here cos alpha is equal to ax by a. A means simply can write as a modulus of A bar. Similarly, cos beta is equal to, can write as here from this triangle. Cos beta equal to, can write as here ay by modulus of A bar. Similarly, cos gamma equal to, we can write as here az by modulus of A bar. These three are called as the direction cosines. These are helpful to calculate the direction of the vector. That means angle made by the vector with x-axis, angle made by the vector with y-axis, angle made by the vector with the z-axis. So from this, what is the value of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma? Important, Nana. So sometimes, Nana, they are asking the direction cosines of the vector L, M, N. The direction cosines of the vector are L, M, N. Then which of the following is true? L square plus M square is equal to N square, or L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 0, or L square plus M square is equal to 2N square, or L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Which of the following is true? So first I am going to calculate the, Nana, L, M, N. What is that L, M, N? Direction cosines. Direction cosines means these are. This is the L, this is the M, this is the N. So from this now we know, just I am taking here cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus, we can write down here cos square gamma. What is the value of cos square alpha, cos square beta and cos square gamma? So that is equal to cos square alpha means what is here cos alpha? Ax by mod A. So Ax by modulus of A bar. We can take as a whole square now, plus similarly cos square beta. That means we can write as a Ay by modulus of A bar whole square plus cos square gamma. Az by modulus of A bar whole square. So from there what you get now here? Ax square by modulus A bar whole square plus Ay square by modulus of A bar whole square plus Az square by modulus of A bar whole square. From there what you get now here? Denominator same, code Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square by modulus of A bar whole square. That equal to modulus of A bar. We know the formula. See here. Modulus of A bar, magnitude of the vector nana. So here Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square by modulus of A bar means nana root of Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. Here square is there nana, square. The square and root get cancelled. What you get here? Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square by Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. This value get cancelled. Finally you get 1. So where you can say L, M, N are the direction cosines. In the situation cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. That means L square plus M square plus N square. Finally you get here 1. So it is the important relation nana. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So it also you can write nana here. So from the trigonometry formulas nana, cos theta, cos square theta, we can write as here 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square alpha plus cos square beta 1 minus sin square beta plus cos square gamma 1 minus sin square gamma. That is equal to 1. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, that equal to totally 3 minus here minus here minus here minus 1 taken minus. We got here sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. That equal what you get here nana 1. Send this side, send that side. You got here 3 minus 1 2 minus send that side. You got nana 2 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. So this is the relation between the sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma, that equal to 2. Here what is alpha, beta, gamma nana? Angle made by the vector with x-axis, angle made by the vector with the y-axis, angle made by the vector with the z-axis. Then alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by the vector with the 3 coordinates. Then we can take as here cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is equal to 1. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. So this is the just basic concept of the direction cosines of the vector. What are the direction cosines? Cosine means cos nana. So these 3 are called as the direction cosines of the vector. So a small problem is there nana related to this concept. See what is the problem? A problem is there nana. I am going to solve the problem here. A vector p bar, I am going to arrange this total. These relations are very important nana. In previous NEET ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగిందమ్మా ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకున్నానా. సో ఏ వెక్టర్ p bar of magnitude 2 units makes an angle 45 degrees with the x-axis. Given for example taking is a vector, modulus of vector is given 2 units. Vector magnitude is 2 units. that makes an angle 45 degrees with x axis and 60 degrees with y axis. Find the vector. Simple. So here x axis and this is the y axis. Its unit C is 2 nana. I am taking this is the a bar, that is the vector nana. It makes some angle with the x axis. What is that angle here? 45 degrees. And it makes an angle with the y axis 60 degrees nana. Y axis not like this nana, just different చూసుకున్నాము. ఈ వెక్టర్ మనకి ఇలా ఉన్నట్టు ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఉన్నట్టము కాబట్టి